Hello, everyone. Teacher Michelle here, and welcome back. Last time, we laid the foundation for conditionals, learning how to talk about real and unreal situations with the zero, first, and second conditionals. Today, we're going to level up your storytelling by diving into the past and present with the most complex conditionals, the third conditional and mixed conditionals. These are the tools you need to talk about regret, what ifs, and how a past choice affects your life today. Let's get started. The third conditional is all about looking back at the past and imagining a different reality. We use it to describe an action that didn't happen and a result that also didn't happen. It's often used to express regret or to talk about missed opportunities. The structure is if plus past perfect would have plus past participle. Let's look at a classic example. If I had studied for the test, I would have passed it. The reality is, I didn't study, the condition was not met, so I didn't pass, the result didn't happen. We're talking about a completely different imaginary past. Here's another one. If she hadn't missed her flight, she would have arrived on time for the meeting. The reality is, she missed her flight, so she was late. The third conditional allows us to imagine the alternate outcome. Now let's mix things up with mixed conditionals. These are for when a condition in the past has a result in the present. We are connecting two different time frames in one sentence. This is where it gets really powerful. There are a few types, but the most common one is mixed conditional, past condition, present result. This is the most frequent type of mixed conditional. It uses a past perfect for the unreal past condition and a second conditional structure for the unreal present result. The structure is if plus past perfect would plus base form of the verb. Let's look at an example. If I had learned to play the guitar, I would be a musician now. The reality is, I didn't learn to play the guitar in the past, so I am not a musician now. The past decision has a direct present day consequence. Another example, if we had taken the earlier train, we wouldn't be stuck in traffic right now. The reality is, we didn't take the earlier train, so we are stuck in traffic. The past action led to the present situation. You can also have an unreal present condition with a past result, but this is less common. For example, if I were a good cook, I would have made a delicious dinner for them last night. Conclusion, your challenge. So, to quickly summarize, third conditional. If a past event had happened, a different past result would have occurred. Mixed conditional. If a past event had happened, the present would be different. I know these are the most complex conditionals, but they are a fantastic way to add precision to your conversations. Your challenge now is to start paying attention to them when you read and listen. When you hear someone expressing regret, chances are they're using a third conditional. When they're talking about a life choice and its current effect, they're probably using a mixed conditional. And then try to make your own. What's one thing you could have done differently in the past that would change your life today? Keep up the fantastic work, and I'll see you in the next lesson.